Look at how freaking mean the back of this car looks with those 315 or 888s. Looks absolutely beautiful, man. So last thing I want to show you guys is I got some paint work done on this car. I don't know if you guys remember from the first walk around that I did. The hood was really chipped up and the back bumper looked like somebody had, or the previous owner had backed up into like some kind of pole or something. So I'm gonna kind of walk around that. So we got the car repaired, took it to my buddy Sean. He did a heck of a job. This is still the original bumper, but he just worked, he did the body work, painted it, and it looks like brand new again. So really, really happy with the outcome. At the moment, the car is a little dusty. It's just been kind of sitting in the garage, but the color looks really good. Really like pretty much identical to the OEM color. So really happy about that. And at the same time, we went ahead and resprayed the side scoops, because you can kind of see like the clear was it's kind of fading off a little bit. But again, it's really dusty, but those came out amazing as well. We'll walk around to the other side, check out the driver's side. Again, it's just the small details that really just set it off, So scoops were done, back bumper was done, and then the hood was like the main thing that would stand out. Well, now, as you can see, no more rock chips. There was like a huge rock chip right here in the middle, but all of that has been taken care of now. It just looks absolutely beautiful, stunning. So I personally just wanted to get this car back into the stage that it deserves to be in, the condition, and just those small little fixes with the body work. I mean, I feel like it put this car back. I won't say it's a pristine mint car, but it's a very clean car now, to my preference, to my liking. Very thankful for the way how it came out. So this is like the OEM stance now, with like the nice 17 by 10.5 replicas in the back, with the nice slick looking R888s, the new tires up front. I don't know, man, this car just looks really nice for being just a stock Cobra. And there's one last thing that I did. If we open up the hood, we'll check it out. So, as I just said, we painted the hood. I decided it was an opportunity to get hood struts as well. So there you have it. Got me some MRT hood struts. Actually, it was a used set. Found it for cheap. And I went ahead and just sanded the plates and color matched them to match underneath. And it just makes for an overall clean look. And the most obvious thing that I'm forgetting to talk about is I removed the insulation that goes underneath the hood. We went ahead and also painted the bottom side just to have it all color matched. It's just one of those small things that goes a long way. Small details like that. I mean, now you look underneath the hood and you have a really clean engine bay, because OEM insulation was just really like worn out. It wasn't, like perfectly black and smooth. I mean, this is a 110,000 mile car, so it has its signs of, being worn out a little bit. But this is like the look that I like, just a clean underhood side. And for pictures and car shows and whatnot, I mean, it stands out tremendously. One of my most favorite views is this rear end. You just walk up on it and you check out those beefy 315s, the R888s. This rear end just looks perfect. And now with the bumper that has been fixed up, I don't know, man, it's just a dream come true. I don't know what else to say. Freaking love it. And this is a closer look into the R888s with the 17 by 10.5 SVE replica wheels. For those who are interested, I mean, that's how they look. Pretty close to the OEMs. I kept my OEM 17x9s up front, so just as a reference. For these, I kept the SVE caps, but I can modify those to fit the OEM SVT caps, so I think I will do that at some point in the future, but for now it doesn't bother me, so I'm keeping it as is, because from far away you can't even tell really, but yeah, looks really good as is, I think. To me, like the OEM 17x9s in the back, it just don't look quite right. The offset is it's just not there, and there's like a huge gap between the fender and the wheel, so I feel like this sets it off properly to where it should be. And if we kind of take a closer look, you can see that, I mean, that tire is maybe sitting inside, I don't know, just a little bit, but if you look at it from this view, I mean, it is like right there close to the edge of the fender. I mean, it looks really good. Well guys, that's all I got for this video. Thanks for sticking around. Stay tuned for more. Lowe's Car 50 out.
The starting of the week, that's coming.